Hey, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the Wicked Game Rank Collector. And in today's video we are going to talk about once again the RetroGame 300. But in this video we are going to focus on the homebrew games. We're going to test out some homebrew games. And yeah, so let's have some fun together. Alright, stay tuned. Let's play some games. Right, so the first game that was already powered on was The King of Fighters. This is a homebrew game. Alright. Very curious what are we going to get. Looks very good. It's running a little bit slow. That I think is a big bummer of this game. It looks amazing. All the moves are here. Alright, so a real classic one, Quake 3 Arena. Oh. This is share version, keep in mind, so we cannot play all the levels. I'm just walking around. Oh, that's really cool. And now? Oh, we just went back to the beginning. Alright. Where'd you get the idea? Works like a charm. A real cool shoot 'em up. Mr. Driller. Oh, crap. So what I think are really cool about the homebrew games, there's a big community behind it. There are way more games out there that you can just install. Oh my god, you have to be shitting with... Never mind, people, next game. I suck at this one. Yeah, okay, what is this? Oh wait, I play this game. Giving this grapple hook where you need to move yourself with. I'm getting this Bionic Commando feeling, don't you? Funny game. Funny game. Oh, this is a real classic one. And of course I need to show my favorite game, Street of Rage Remake. That is basically on a freaking portable system with this custom Dingus software on it. I also did some gameplay with, on my Wicked Gaming channel. This is something that happens only with some of these firmware. That's really a bummer that my sound goes away, my background sound. Really annoying. Because without background music... Oh no, it's back. So again, this is a really cool game. I love it. Plays fantastic on this portable system. The RetroGame 300. Alright, so for the final conclusion, if you want to play homebrew games, I think the RetroGame 300 is a very awesome portable device for this. Personally, I like the form factor of this thing, the screen, the sound, everything is just awesome. There is a big community behind this, so if you want to download more freeware games, it's possible, no problem at all. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the little bell for more awesome Wicked videos. And if you're into gaming like this one, don't forget to check out the Wicked Gaming channel. See you next time. Bye bye. Ba